Take a seat, because in today's class, we're covering why the rich actually love inflation, despite it being so harmful to the poor and middle class. We will be discussing the inflation caused by money printing, as in when the government prints money to stimulate the economy. When money is printed, the money loses value relative to other things, because there's now more money chasing the same amount of goods and services. So, per unit, the currency loses value. Typically, poorer individuals have higher percentages of their net worth in cash, and they also have higher living expenses relative to their income levels. This means, as cash loses value, their savings actually lose purchasing power, along with them having to spend more and more money each week just to live. The wealthy tend to hold a higher percentage of their net worth in assets, be it the stock market, real estate, or other investments. These scarce assets are harder to make more of relative to the money being printed. They also produce a return, making them desirable to other people. So when cash gets devalued, it gets devalued compared to these types of assets, causing their price to rise. To put this simply, the poor spend more and more of their less valuable money just to live, via food, energy, and housing costs. The wealthy don't own a lot of cash, and them having a higher proportion of assets absorbs the devaluing currency. The fact life gets more expensive for the poor and assets rise in price means it becomes even harder for the poor to acquire assets as time goes on. The wealth gap is a growing issue in America and all over the world. However, the main driver of it being so large isn't the problem of something like capitalism. The money itself is broken. As long as money can easily be printed and the poor and middle class keep asking for more stimulus and programs, which is paid for by printing money, the gap will continually widen. Inflation helps those who already have things and hurts those trying to work hard to get those things. Beyond Finance hopes to educate people about these topics and how the financial system works in easy to understand videos. Join us by subscribing and don't get left behind. The video on the end screen goes into the difference between hard and soft money, so get learning.